Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to put your Tesla Model 3 specifically into car wash mode. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Tesla app. You click the Tesla logo right here, down below, service. You click on that. As you can see, it's not going to be here. So you're going to have to do it inside through the panel. So we really have to go inside. Follow me. So if you press this car symbol, bottom left corner, press on it. All the way down, you see service. Third one up, service. Click on that. Right there. You'll see the car wash mode. Click that. Okay. Look, read on that. Car wash mode, close all windows. Lock the charge port and disables windshield wipers. Okay. Sentry mode. Yada yada yada. Okay. So after you read on that, you're gonna press enter car wash mode. You're gonna hear a listen. Okay, so you're in a car wash mode. You are ready to go to the car wash. You're ready to rock and roll. The sentry modes, they are off. Alright, trunk closed, everything closed. So let's say you get done washing your car. Just press this exit car wash mode. That's all it is. Super easy, right?